Hello, I am Jayesh from Addact Technologies. Today I am going to explain you about customer and order management tools integrated in Sitecore Commerce platform. This is the second video in the series called Sitecore Commerce Brief presented by Addact Technologies. So these tools allows us to keep track of order and customer information. We can efficiently manage order information with updated customer information, which help us to promote a good customer relationship. Let me brief you about some of the significant use cases of these tools. By using these tools, we can easily manage, edit and update customer information. We can take customer information similar to product tags, which help us to classify a group of customer and their interest. Once we have this group of customer, we can offer them a good promotions and discounts on the basis of their interest. We can quickly access order details. We can access order placement date, order grand total, payment method, pending payment, etc., by which we can fulfill the customer needs and process the order. We can quickly process shipping, return, refund and pre-order. This is all about customer and order management tools available in Sitecore Commerce. We at Addact expert in Sitecore Commerce development. We are good at Sitecore Commerce implementation, integration, upgradation, module development. Need any kind of services? Feel free to reach us at info@addact.in. If you have any questions and if you need any assistance, you can write your comment on below section. Thank you for watching this video.